boys and girls, happy Wednesday. Let's go ahead and review our morning warm-up. Our word of the day is instant. Say it after me, instant. What do you think that means? Well, it means a very short time. It could mean that it's also done right away. How many of you have ever heard your parents say, I want you to pick up your dirty socks right this instant? That means they want you to do it right away. Or it only takes an instant to make coffee. That means that it's done in a very short time. All right, let's go ahead over. We're talking about abbreviations this week. So we're going to go ahead and learn about each of the abbreviations for all of these measurement tools here. So inch is abbreviated as a lowercase I and N with a period. Feet is FT with a period. Yard is YD with a period, and then mile is MI. All right, editing tidbit. We're going to find the errors and then rewrite it. So Mrs. is capitalized, a period after the S. Mrs. Henson recommended that I read James and the Giant Peach. The P needs to be capitalized because that's a book title. We also need to underline it because it is a book. We'll put a comma by Ronald, R-O-L-A-D, doll, capital D with a period. So if I were to rewrite that, it would be Mrs. Henson recommended, or just recommend, I guess, that I read James and the Giant Peach, which is an excellent book, by the way. I want to underline that, comma, by R-O-A-L-D-D-A-H-L, period. I hope you actually rewrote it. I know how you guys get in class. Sometimes you don't rewrite it when I asked you to, so I hope you did. It's good practice. All right. Word problem. Eva's room is 10 feet by 8 feet. She wants to carpet the entire area. How many square feet of carpet should she buy? So if she wants to carpet that entire area, that means we need to know how to find area, which is A equals length times width. So my length is 10 and my width is 8. So 10 times 8, which equals 80. She's going to need to buy 80 square feet, period. All right, fast math. 935 times 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus our 3 is 21. 6 times 9 is 54. Plus 2 is 56. 5,610. All right, here's our last one, another rounding one, which I love. I'm going to rewrite it down here. 6,523,098. Okay, so it's asking us to the nearest 10,000. So we have our ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. I'm going to underline that one. All right, so remember we always find what it would be if we rounded up and if we rounded down. So anything on the left side of my underlined number is going to stay. So my 6 and my 5, if I'm rounding up, my 2 is going to become a 3. Now remember, everything after that is a 0. If I were to round down, my 6 and my 5 stay the same. The 2 stays the same. And then everything after the 2 is my zeros. All right, so let's look at the number on the right side of the underlined number, my 3 here. 3 is below 5, so that means I will round down. And my answer is 6,520,000. I hope you guys have an awesome day. It's going to be a beautiful one. Go outside and play. Bye.